like to thank our major sponsors, such as Beauty Parlor and Spa located in front of De La Salle University,
Lima City Hotel located in Lima Technology Park,
Lipa First Advertising located at Inustuban, Lipa City,
Magical Placenta by Mickey Freyo,
FS Flowers by Sylvia located at Mataas na Lupa, Lipa City,
Baluarte Sur Leisure Park and Resort,
Croisy de la France Bake Shop,
Boy Bawang and Barons Antenna.
Wala naman
Special mentions to Sir Robert, Attorney Lyle, PC91,
Ma'am Cecil, Golden Coco, Gilbert and Dindo.
And DYHP Cebu, kailangan ko pang i-memorize yan, adik po ako.
I also would like to acknowledge the presence of our judges.
These people are given the task to compute, tabulate, and choose the winners of this pageant.
Wow!
starting to our first judge, none other than Mr. Molly Kalingasan, a chairman of Miss Philippine Earth Southern Tagalog, promo and ads manager of Placenta. Once again, let's give him a round of applause, Mr. Molly Kalingasan.
Palakpakan natin sila. Also, I would like our second judge, Jing Pernes. Wow! He is a general manager of Lipa First Advertising.
Our third judge happens to be the committee of the Binibining Pilipinas and the general manager of such as Beauty Parlor and Spa, the co-owner of Coca-Cola Bottlers Philippines, the owner and proprietor of Cebu Plaza Hotel, Cebu Manila Hotel, Wala na yun.
In every competition, there's always a criteria. Wala pa ba?
Palakpakan for a third judge, Noemi Africa, the long-lost sister of Susan Africa. Straight from the land of Africa.
And also, I would like to thank Sacha, Parlor and Spa. Sila pong nagpapaganda sa amin. Maraming salamat.
We would like also to thank Star Tollway for giving us the convenience para makapunta rito sa Lipa.